Okay, let's talk about heel towing here. Let's go from 4th to 3rd to 2nd. Rev matching. Come in, easy off the brake pedal, and track out. With heel towing, it might be a pivot with your pedals. Mine is kind of a heel side of the foot, not a toe, or not a heel. I'm going to come into turn 2 here. I'm going to go from 4th to 3rd. Tap it like so. My tires are a little greasy. Going into 4th, we're going to go from 4th to 3rd. And pivot your foot. We got a Porsche 911 next to us. GT3 RS. And then we're going to do some heel towing here. 4th to 3rd. Oh yeah. Release the brake slow, roll on throttle, track out, woohoo! Key is to be smooth with your brake input still when you're heel towing. You're doing your downshifting while you're braking, because you want to be in the gear that you need for acceleration before you try to accelerate. Alright, we're going to do it one more time. We're going to go 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Watch the feet. Rev matching. Remember to release the brake slowly and then roll on throttle, especially with this car. Got inside tire spin. Well, that was your mini lesson on heel towing. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.